All set now, ready to race. Good luck on your first pick 5 tickets. Race number 3. Anytime now. Stand by now for your dispatch. Race number 3 with the favorite Michika. Gates open, they're up and racing. Michika draws for your lead. Conquistador running at the center, moving up by the rail to grab the lead. Dugos Fantasy, then in between runners, Never Say Goodbye. Windy Hour comes next, then in between runners, Angelus. Psst. Taxi moving up by the rail and trailing the group. Dandino about to pass the 900 meters pole. Now we have Dugos Fantasy. Never Say Goodbye to take second and still improving on the outside. Michika, the favorite, also winding up. Then followed by Conquistador. Taxi as they race at a 600 meters pole. Now we have Never Say Goodbye leading the field, moving up on the outside. Michika being thrown up the challenge as they race for home. We have Never Say Goodbye. Michika, Conquistador moving up once again by the rail, then followed now by Taxi, Dugos Fantasy, Windy Hour, and down the stretch they come. Michika, the favorite, by about 3 lengths. Conquistador running in second. Never Say Goodbye, Windy Hour, and finally back-to-back win for FM Raquel Jr. This time on Michika second. Conquistador close between Never Say Goodbye and Windy Hour. Then comes Taxi.